In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Tap on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files and select those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit Clean. Choose Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!